Hey guys, welcome back to AwesomeKidsTV, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Princess Leia Buns. So I've already made mine here, but now I'm going to teach you how. Just a minute while I undo this. Alright guys, so I have finally taken them out. So what you just start out with is just hair. That's all I need. It has to be kind of long, but not that long. And the first thing you're going to do is brush it. Here's the supplies you need. I personally like having 4 hair ties for this specific style. And you normally need around 6 bobby pins. I could only find 5 though. So. And you need a hairbrush and of course hair. So I'm going to start brushing my hair. Okay guys, so I finally finished brushing my hair. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it into 2 parts. It's okay if the back doesn't look absolutely perfect because it doesn't really matter. Honestly. I mean, if you want it to look super perfect, then that's your choice. But you're just going to split it into 2 parts. You're going to run the brush through it a little more. High. And then what you're going to do, so first I'm going to run the brush through. Then you're just going to get some ponytails. Just the 2 little pigtails. Okay guys, so now I have my 2 braids. I meant pigtails. And then I'm gonna rip them. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna just pull this over and wrap it around itself, which might sound weird. Look at that, it looks kind of funny, so I'm gonna redo it. And you're gonna clip it with a bobby pin. Then you're gonna pin it down like that. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. And then you have your perfect little Princess Leia Buns. This is great for just going somewhere or a Halloween party if you're dressing up as a character that has buns like this. Yeah, you might need a little more pins, but it works fine anyway. So that is how you do a Princess Leia bun. I hope you guys all have a great day. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. Bye bye!